What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoot-tainment today. We at it again, as you can see. Your boy got a box. But before we get into that, man, I just want to let you guys know that it's a monumental day today, folks. It's a big day for the land of McFly, man. Today marks our 1 month anniversary of being on YouTube, man. That's right, I've been out here 4 weeks. I have managed to amass 73 subscribers. I've managed to upload 15 videos. Actually, this one going up today, so that'll be 16 videos. Who you know putting up 16 videos in 30 days? I'll wait. Alright, I'm tired of waiting. Ain't nobody. They ain't doing it. They can't do it, man. I'm the only person that grind like this. But with all that being said, I want to thank all of you guys, man, for coming out and supporting me, for watching these videos, leaving your comments, all of that. If this is your first time over here, what's up with it, babe? You're going to enjoy everything popping off over here, man. I appreciate y'all stopping by. If you saw my last video about the international flights, what went down with DTLR and whatnot, that's what's in these boxes, man. These international flight 12s. You haven't seen that video, go check it out. Come back to this one, man, and you'll see what all I had to go through that day, man. It was a crazy story. So, yeah, check it out. But for now, we're going to get into this. I left the box closed. I didn't cut the tape. I took the labels off it because I just wanted to see. I wanted to give my real reaction. You know, I've seen the shoe, but I wanted to see what the quality control was looking like. Let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying, it's real over here. We don't be playing. So, let's do it. Handy dandy knife. Y'all see the tape on that, bruh. You know it's only one place to send that tape out. So I ain't even got to explain that. Can't call me out on that. Real reviews, man, that's what we call it. Your box, man. Fancy. But y'all know how we do over here in the land of McFly. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys out the box. And we gonna get you. Woohoo! And up close on these things. Alright, man, here we go. I'm zoomed in and up close. Wanted to hit you guys with a little different angle today. See how this will work out. You know, I've been waiting on these. Why my thing folded? Get over there. Hey, you. Open up. Let them know. Ain't no foo-foos over here. There it is. Got your gold 23 right there. Air Jordan International on that thing. Ain't no foo-foos around here, man. This Reynolds wrap paper. You got these little red, I'm guessing it's kind of like a map or something. I don't really know. Got like a Japan print on here. International flight logo right there. And other stuff, it's kind of hard for the camera to kind of pick it up, but either way. And here you got that quality control thing. Is it me or does only shoes that have suede on them have that green and white sticker? Let me know in the comments, man. I might be tripping. Also, you can let me know in the comments which one you like better. These heaters or them Jeter 11 lows, man. I might go with Jeter 11 lows. I'm really unsure, but let's get up into this review, man. As you can see here, you've got a all navy upper. It's actually pretty close to an obsidian. You've got that embossed, I don't know if that's kimono print or maybe when you in Japan blowing it down, when you blow out your smoke, that's what it looked like. The wind, maybe it's the wind. Call it the wind, man. Then you've got this fish scale here on your side panel, and I'm thinking that that's like, it's like hand painted on or something, man. I thought it'd be like printed, like screen printed or something, but this texture is like somebody did this by hand. I know Jordan brand ain't about that life. As you can see, where the snakeskin meets the midsole, it's okay, man. It's way better than that pair from DTLR, boy. That pair was terrible. This pair is actually doable, man. I'm good with it. Haven't seen the right shoe yet, but so far in my experience, in the 3 or 4 pairs of these that I've seen, the left shoe all have that little, I don't know what you want to call it, I guess imperfection. On this one, it's pretty smooth, it's clean cut. You can still kind of see it a little bit, but it's not like terrible. Like, leave it at the store, like DTLR, you can keep that. Cause that's how that was. Woo-hoo! Man, do you see that, boy? And you know what trips me out, man? Don't nobody in America speak Japanese, man. That thing could say, that thing could say anything crazy back there. Ain't no telling what that say. Everybody talking about, yeah, it say Air Jordan, man. You don't know what that say. That say red beans and rice. Well, you know, y'all don't know. Got your symbol in there. Your white sock liner with that same print on it. Red Jumpman here. Hold on, let me put it down. Man. You ain't show your tag, man. You ain't show your tag. Let's see if I can get that tag up. Tag. Now all the tag people can't say I ain't show the tag. Coming up the front. I don't know what that bubble's about, but it's on there. The 2-3 stitched in. Red Jordan Jumpman up top. Got the silver eyelets on that bad boy. This shoe is dope, man. This shoe is flying. I can't believe it's actually sitting. Check out the right shoe. Usually the right shoe is the best shoe. So let's check it out. It's looking good. See that? I wish I could like rewind them. Rewind the video, put like a still shot. It's perfect. I don't know why it's not like that on the left shoe. That's crazy. Up the top, red jump. Symbol in there with your sticker. Medial side on that bad boy. Like, yeah, you can really see the detailing on that. Like, that's not printed. That's like painted by hand or something. I appreciate the attention to detail on that. Like, I don't know, man. But that's definitely, I feel like that might chip off. We're gonna find out though, cause they're gonna see the street. That back shot again, yes sir, yes sir. And there it is, man. And that's pretty much it, bro. These definitely get my stamp of approval. You cannot beat these. I'm a little upset with that $10 price hike though, but it's all good, man. I ain't really tripping. So if you would, man, let me know in the comments if you grabbed them. And if you didn't grab, let me know why. What's up, man? You not rocking with the blue, you scared of the white. What's going on? Like I said, man, it's my 1 month anniversary, man. I really appreciate y'all for taking your time out and watching these vids, man. All the newcomers, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Hopefully you'll jump on the board and be a frequent viewer of the land of McFly, man. But either way, we out here. I'm gonna keep these vids coming. Like I said, I'm the hardest working man in shoe-tainment. 15 uploads in 30 days. Find somebody in the shoe game beating me, man. Ain't nobody beating me. And we just getting better and better, man. You go from video 1 to video 16. It's just getting better and it's gonna keep getting better. So stay rocking, man. We gonna be here, we gonna do it. we're gonna put on the show. I appreciate y'all. And until next time, I'll holler at you.